Let's see what the cabin filter of a 2005 Impala looks like. Bracket clip right there. Dig the clip out. Now that windshield wiper arm's out of the way, we can get to this clip. Just peel the seal back. And the windshield washer fluid line. Now let's see what the cabin filter looks like. And there does not appear to be any debris. $23.99, same day pickup at AutoZone. Will it fit? So the secret to installing this cabin filter is bending this part back a little and then just sliding it in. Voila. Perfect. Holes to line up. I'm not doing something right here. Let's see. There we go. I tuck that in. Just reattach the windshield washer fluid line that is just as brittle as 20 years can make it. All right, and then let's put on the seal. There we go. Look at that. Don't be like me. Change your cabin air filters. Your air conditioning system will thank you.